Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add a chat box. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. Next thing you want to go ahead and do is on your sources tab in your OBS, just plus, add a browser. From that browser, open up its properties, find the link, the URL place like so. And then all you're going to want to go ahead and do after that is find your Twitch chat or whatever chat it is that you want to add to your OBS. Go ahead and copy the URL and then paste it into this like so. And then if you put it on top of the display capture, which it should be, now your chat will appear on your screen, and then you could get like different plugins and stuff to make the chat prettier. But this is going to be how you do it for essentially any streaming platform. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. Other than that, though, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Oh.